Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take ashwagandha powder. First, understand that ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, meaning it helps your body manage stress. It's known for potentially reducing anxiety and improving sleep. We'll cover the best ways to incorporate this powerful powder into your daily routine for optimal results. Getting the dosage right is key to experiencing its full range of benefits. When starting with ashwagandha powder, a typical dose ranges from 300 milligrams to 500 milligrams per day. It's always wise to begin with a smaller amount, like 250 milligrams, and slowly increase it as your body adjusts. You can easily mix the powder into a glass of water, milk, or even blend it into your favorite smoothie for a smoother taste. Beyond simple mixing, there are many creative ways to enjoy ashwagandha powder. Try adding it to warm milk with a touch of honey for a soothing bedtime drink. It also blends seamlessly into your morning yogurt or oatmeal, making it an easy addition to your breakfast. For those who are active, consider mixing it into your pre-workout or post-workout shake. The best time to take ashwagandha powder often depends on your goals. Many prefer it in the morning for sustained energy, while others take it before bed for better sleep. Remember, consistency is vital. Regular intake over several weeks yields the best results. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.